Come on, Casey. Come here. This is amazing. Coulter, you're too young to do this.
Don't touch him.
I'm just here to catch him.
Oh my God. Hey, baby.
Our headaches just got so much bigger.
Go get their clothes. Put one closer.
Coulter. Look. Say, get him, get him.
Oh my gosh. Go, baby, go.
Go.
Go, baby.
Alright, hold him up one more.
Colty, we're so proud of you.
Go get him. One more. Come on.
He is crawling all the way up. It's April 17th. Colty's almost 8 months old.
Move your hands up.
And he's crawling up the steps. Colty, say bye. Say bye.